Introducing the 3-bond multi-purpose lubricant. The 3-bond multi-purpose lubricant is an environmentally friendly, multi-purpose product designed for lubrication and rust. It cleans and protects against corrosion, lubricates, loosens and penetrates sticky locks, hinges, drawers and moving parts. It also removes greases, gum, stickers, rust, stains, dirt, etc. Shake the can well before use. Spray the 3-bond multi-purpose lubricant at the affected area thoroughly. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and repeat several times if needed. The 3-bond multi-purpose lubricant penetrates the finest gaps by capillary action. It lubricates movable parts and stops creaking. It lets rust float, which can then be removed easily. It also replaces moisture on a metal surface, and a thin film formed repels moisture. Hence, it prevents rust formation and corrosion.